All right. From our last video, we went through four words um, in terms of pronunciation. So we have seen um,
Hasta,
asta,
cama,
kama,
nada,
nada,
Listen to these words and note how the
nada, cama,
kama,
hasta,
asta,
papa
papa. So we've seen four words, and now let's move on to the next. It's on the list.
mama
Mama is mom.
papa.
Papa is dad.
Now listen and repeat.
nada,
Nada,
cama,
kama,
hasta,
asta. So basically, listen and repeat.
papa,
Papa,
mamá,
mama. Notice the way they pronounce the last A. It's slightly different. Um,
papá, mamá,
mama,
papá,
papa.
Listen and repeat again.
Speakers from Peru.
Nada,
Nada,
cama,
kama,
hasta,
asta,
papa,
papa,
mama,
mama,
papa.
papa.
Now listen as the words are pronounced correctly by a native Spanish speaker and incorrectly by an English speaker with a heavy accent.
Okay. All right, and just a reminder, there is the link to this website is in the description, so please feel free to do this in your spare time. Listen and repeat as we go ahead with this.
nada,
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 cama,
cama,
kama, right? So the A is basically as in father with it. Kama, right? So
hasta,
asta,
hasta,
asta,
papa, papa,
papa,
mama, mama,
mama,
papa, papa.
papa.
Again, listen and repeat. Try to make your vowel sounds short, crisp, and pure.
Short, crisp, and pure. Okay.
nada,
Nada,
cama,
kama,
hasta,
asta,
Papa,
papa,
mama,
mama,
papa.
papa.
Listen to these words and note how the vowel sounds are all short, crisp, and pure.
Okay, it looks like you have completed the list of 35. And with that said, let's move on to the next vowel, which is E. Alright, Spanish E is most often pronounced like the A in the word date, except that it is shorter and crisper. Okay, that's interesting. Similar to A as in date. Okay, alright, let's see how this goes.
Listen to these words and note how the vowel sounds are all short, crisp, and pure.
bebé,
bebé. Alright, I need to make a note of this, the last E. Um, I mean the character. Um,
tendré,
tendré, tendré.
lentes, lentes,
Okay, so they have a repeat option. So in case you're not sure of how it's pronounced, you could repeat it.
lentes, 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 lentes,
Lentis.
lentes,
I'm sure not right, but
lentes, lentes,
lentis.
sede,
Sede.
cereza, cereza,
Cereza.
cereza, cereza, cereza,
Alright, this might be out of topic here, but the Z sounds more like an S, right? Cereza. Cereza.
leche,
Leche.
leche, leche, leche,
Leche.
Now listen and repeat.
bebé, bebé, bebé,
It looks like more emphasis is given on the last syllable. Bebe.
bebé,
Bebe.
tendré,
Tendré.
tendré, tendré, tendré,
Tendré.
tendré, lentes,
Lentes.
lentes, lentes, lentes,
Lentes.
sede,
Sede.
sede, sede,
Sede.
cereza,
Cereza. This sounds easier, relatively. Cereza.
cereza,
Cereza.
leche,
Leche.
Listen and repeat again.
bebé,
Bebé.
tendré,
Tendré.
lentes, 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 lentes,
Lentes.
sede,
Sede.
cereza,
Cereza.
leche,
Leche.
Now listen as the words are pronounced correctly by a native Spanish speaker and incorrectly by an English speaker with a heavy accent.
Alright, so two comparisons.
bebé,
Baby,
Bebé. Bebé.
tendré,
tendré,
Tendré.
lentes,
lentes,
Lentes.
sede,
sede,
Okay, so sede. I think.
cereza,
cereza,
Cereza.
leche,
leche,
Leche.
leche,
leche,
Leche.
Again, listen and repeat.
Alright,
Try to make your vowel sounds short, crisp, and pure.
seems to be the last set.
bebé,
Bebé.
tendré,
Tendré.
lentes, 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 lentes,
lentes,
sede,
sede,
cereza,
cereza,
leche,
leche. Alright, folks, let's continue the rest on our next videos. Thank you so much.